In the last video, we talked about migrations. We also talked about there being an admin app to your application. So if I can just run this just for the sake of seeing how it would work. So manage.py, migrate. Okay. So obviously once you have started your application, you don't want to continue running this. But the idea is that you can see that we have something here called admin. Now for us to use the admin side, we need to create a super user. Actually relatively easy to do. All you need to do is run python manage.py create super user. That's it. So you have to provide a username. In my case, I'm just gonna give it, say, Chencha, an email address, jacob@cenchatech.com. This is my email address. You can use it to email me in case you're running into any problems. And a password, whatever password you choose for yourself, but try to make it as secure as possible, because this particular section of the application has a lot of power. Alright, and of course you must remember it. Right, so files are created. So how do you access that? First thing, let us start up our server. So that's just the same process. Python manage.py run server. Alright, good to go. So this is in localhost 48,000. Let's look at that. Okay, that's where we are last time. Now this time we just need to check out the admin section. So voila, now we have something. So this is obviously credentials from another application I was working on. So let's do for this one. Sorry. Right. So I had a problem with that password, but we are done. Okay, so this basically gives us all the applications that are already there. This is not a must that if you build an application that is gonna be here. We're gonna talk about apps in a feature application and actually how to include the apps in the backend in the admin section of a Django application. So if you look at it, so here we have, this is my account down that I created. So here's my username, here's my password, which as you might notice is actually hashed. This is for security purposes. You might want to look into hashing. So I can give all of this, and there are also like permissions. You can easily set permissions in your application. So that's one of the good things about Django. You don't have to do all this coding yourself. You can just check all these things that are here. Alright, so let us check out our Django application. Let's check out our admin side. Let's get that done before we move on to the next video.